Ngucanio ya ica ikuhĩ gatagatĩ ka mũtongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka na gavana Alfred Mutua rĩu yumanĩte na kũnyitwo mĩgwate kwa mware wa munini wa gavana wa Machakos Bernard Kiala.
Pata habari mtoto wa deputy governor wa Machakos ametekwa nyara, akatumiwa message mama yake akaambiwa mtoto wako tuko na yeye ako salama, lakini mwambie bwana yako awache kuitisha kiti ya gavana Machakos.
Kunyitwo mĩgwate gwa Catherine Duko kwanĩrĩirwo nĩ Kalonzo mũcemanio-inĩ wa kĩũteti mwena wa Sultan Hamud agĩkuruhania gavana Mutua na njama ĩyo. Na kumana na mĩario ĩyo, gavana Mutua rĩu nĩehĩtĩte kũhanda cira igoti-inĩ agĩthitanga Kalonzo.
And that if that child is found dead, that I have to answer for it, saying that I participated in whatever he was talking about. A leader throwing aspersions into my character and actually indirectly calling me a kidnapper and a killer. From a leader. This is the kind of politics we've been seeing in this country.
Gavana Mutua na munini wake Bernard Kiala matikoretwo makiona na ruheni thutha wa Kiala kwanderera itanya rĩa kũranĩra gĩturwa kĩa ũgavana. Ona Kalonzo matikoretwo kimwona Mutua ũrĩa ica ikuhĩ ũramũkire kĩama kĩa Wiper.
Kama huyo msichana hatapatikana akiwa hai, gavana wa Machakos na wenzake lazima watatoa taarifa waeleze mtoto ameuawa na nani.
And because I've been very quiet for many years and they've been playing games, calling me names, and they think I'm weak because I'm a patient man. I do not play their kind of regressive politics of poverty. I want to tell them that enough is enough. And I'm taking Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka to court.
Mware ucio wa munini wa gavana aracokire kuonekana mwena wa Mwiki gũkũ Nairobi, borithi makiuga arare kwa mwendwa wake. Kĩama kĩa Wiper rĩu gĩtanyĩtwo gũkarũgamia munini wa gavana gĩturwa-inĩ kĩa ũgavana kĩa Machakos kũng'ethanĩra na gavana Mutua.